Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to remove white background using Microsoft Word. So first open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. I will just go ahead and click on Online Pictures, then select a picture with a white background like this one, for example. Click on it, then click on Insert. Wait a few seconds. Now let's change the page color to see the difference. Go to Design and then Page Color and change the page color. Now to remove the background, click on the picture, then go to Format under Picture Tools and select Remove Background. Now here you can use these tools. You can mark areas to keep by drawing lines to mark areas to keep in the picture, like this, for example. And you can use this one to mark the areas to remove. I don't think I want to remove anything from the picture. Let's mark this area again. Mark area to remove, and let's remove this area. And you can click on Discard All Changes to discard the changes, or click on Keep Changes to keep the changes. And now, as you can see, the white background has been removed. Now you can click on this icon here and select behind text or in front of text to reposition your picture. And go to Format under Picture Tools to edit your picture. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.